So guys, the next topic with us is the gerunds. So क्या होते हैं ये gerunds? किनको हम बोलते हैं? So if I say walking is a good exercise, I may also say he's fond of reading. So ये सब हमने gerunds यूज किए हैं. So what are these gerunds? जैसे word walk and reading are formed from the verbs walk and read. कैसे फॉर्म हुए ये? By adding ing to them. When I add ing, it becomes gerunds. So what do we call the gerunds as? When we use verb की first form and ing along with it. So उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? उनको हम बोलते हैं the gerunds. So they are therefore like verbs only. Verbs की तरह ही होते हैं. They also do the work of nouns. Nouns का काम करते हैं वो. A gerund is a verbal noun which does the work of a verb and of a noun. So verbal noun है जो verb और noun दोनों का काम करता है. What do I say? The uses of gerunds. A gerund being a verbal noun is used in the following ways. इन तरीकों से हम gerunds को use कर सकते हैं. How can I use it? As the subject of a verb. So verb के subject की तरह. For example, cheating should be discouraged. So जो भी cheating है उसको हमें discourage करना चाहिए. Smoking is a bad for health. So smoking जो है वो सेहत के लिए बुरी है, bad for health. So हम verb of the subject, object of the verb, verb के object में जैसे she likes swimming, all the boys started shouting. So object of the verb भी हम use करते हैं. Object of the preposition, preposition का object कैसे use करते हैं? They were accused of stealing. So accused of stealing means कि उनको चोरी का दोषी पाया गया. So preposition, accused of. He was prevented from visiting the spot. Right? So किसी भी एक gerund को क्योंकि ये verbal noun होता है हम different तरीके से use कर सकते हैं. How all we can use? Subject of a verb, object of a verb, object of the preposition also, as the complement of a verb. So verb को complement देता हुआ. What I dislike most is cheating. My favorite pastime is bird watching. So bird watching मेरा favorite pastime है. इसी तरह like a verb, it may take an object. वो object ले सकता है as. She believes in talking trash. We are fond of singing songs. After some verbal phrases, for example, keep on, leave off, give up, put up, burst out, give up smoking, they burst out laughing. So ये सब verbal phrases हैं. इनके साथ में हम gerunds को use कर सकते हैं. They are also used as simple nouns. Now what are simple nouns? Straightforward nouns को हम simple noun बोलते हैं. For example, parting is always painful. Partings are always painful. Meetings are usually noisy. So meeting is usually noisy. So ये सब gerunds हैं जिसको हम use करते हैं. Short prohibitions में. So you might have heard about no smoking and no plucking of flowers. So ये सब short prohibitions हैं जिनमें हम gerunds को use करते हैं. अब gerunds को जब हमने infinite के साथ use करना तो हम कैसे करेंगे? Both the gerund and the infinite are used in the same sense. They are formed from a verb. एक verb से form होते हैं and are used as nouns. So एक verb से form होते हैं और noun की तरह use होते हैं. So हम क्या बोलते हैं? Sleeping is good for health. So infinite में हम क्या बोलेंगे? To sleep is good for health. So sleeping ing सिर्फ हमने add किया है, right? That becomes gerunds. Otherwise it is infinite. Seeing is believing. देख के यकीन होता है. To see is to believe. So interchangeably हम use कर रहे हैं almost same sense में. Lying is a sin. To lie is a sin. So how are we using it? Almost in the same sense. This is how we use the gerunds or infinites. They are used as in the same sense. Verbs like finish deny, detest, postpone, enjoy, avoid, forgive, understand. They do not take an infinite after them. वो अपने साथ infinite नहीं लेते. They are followed by gerunds only as he enjoys cracking jokes. Avoid eating too many sweets. Do not postpone joining your duty. He denies telling a lie. So ये सब verbs हैं जो हम यूज करते हैं जिनको which are followed by gerunds actually. Gerunds and present participle. So we have already read about present participle. कैसे यूज करते हैं हम? Both the gerund and present participle ends in ing. दोनों ही ing से यूज होते हैं. Sleeping is good for health. A sleeping dog can be dangerous. So ing, sleeping, sleeping. The old man was tired of walking. Walking along the road, I met walking my friend. So, किस तरह से यूज हो रहे हैं? Gerunds is used like a noun and present participle as an adjective. I hope to gain by managing. He is the managing director, a small farm of the company. So when a noun or pronoun is placed before the gerund, it must be possessive case. So जब भी noun या pronoun हम place करेंगे तो वो possessive case होगा. Possessive case क्या होता है? जो किसी के possession में होता है. For example, he is the owner, so possession. He insisted on his coming. She was displeased at his not coming today. I hope you will excuse my coming. Right? So possessive cases. The possessive case cannot be used with the gerund in the following cases. Gerunds की तरह वो use नहीं होता. When a noun denotes a lifeless thing, there is no question of the bus coming late. When a gerund is in passive form, so कैसे? As we do not approve of being accused. So हम ये prove नहीं करते उसको accuse करना. Right? So these are all